Yeah, I got a 24-inch main break on line going down May Street. We just got an alarm in the office that the pressure went down.
How big's the main?
And this is where it broke. 24, Dave. From Chandler and May here down to June, I've got shut down right now. We're in the process of shutting down.
Yeah, this is flooding all the way from here down to the second level to the third level. Flooding out the building, it's going down to the parking lot, and I can see it in the field and reaching the home soon.
You know, an old system, very old system.